You want that? Huh? You can eat.
You won't eat tomorrow if you get it.
Aray ko, ano na?
No, you're not. I'm not gonna feed you. I'm not gonna feed you.
Give it back, dog. Dog. Give it back here. Come on. Give to mommy. Come on. Papaano ka lang talaga eh. Gimme. Kuhanin mo, Tiffany. Ken. Lalakas ng aso ay. Gimme. Open your mouth. Open. Let go. Mapupunit yan. Huwag mong punitan. Lagot ka sa akin. Gusto mo palo? Palo.
Gimme.
Alexander. Sino yun sa Alexander?